Good morning. Welcome, students. I am Dr. Ashok Tuwar from Arts, Commerce and Science College, Sonai. Today we are discussing about morphology of flower. Study of flower. Flower is defined as highly condensed and modified reproductive shoot. The part from where flower arises is called bract. Flower has short or long flower stalk, which is called as pedicel. The upper part of pedicel is swollen, spherical, shaped or conical shaped, which is called as uh, thalamus or receptacle. The typical flower possesses the following four whorls in succession on the thalamus, that is calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. Calyx. Calyx is the outermost part of flower. It is made up of with group of sepals. It is generally green in color and it is protective in function within bud condition. Calyx may be free or united. If the calyx is free, it is called as polysepalous. If the calyx is united, it is called as gamosepalous. Calyx and corolla is accessory whorl. Then corolla. Corolla is the second whorl of flower. It is inner to petals, sepals, and it may be free. Petals may be free or united. If the petals are free, it is called as polypetalous. If the petals are united, the flower is described as gamopetalous. The corolla is made up of with group of petals. Petals are generally colored. Then the next word is Androecium and Gynoecium. These are two whorls. These two whorls are essential whorls. They take part in reproduction. The Androecium is the third whorl of flower or floral leaves. Internal to the corolla is called as Androecium. The individual member of Androecium is called as stamen. Stamen is made up of with filament, connective, and anther. A group of stamen is called as Androecium. Then last whorl is Gynoecium. The innermost whorl is called as Gynoecium or pistil. It is made up of with structure like carpel. A carpel is composed of ovary, style, and stigma. Then symmetry. On the basis of arrangement of flower or floral whorls or the types of floral whorls, petals, sepals, and Androecium and Gynoecium, it is divided into three types. That is actinomorphic, zygomorphic, and asymmetric. First is actinomorphic. In actinomorphic, the flowers have multiple planes of symmetry, meaning that if you draw a line through the center, the flower will look the same on both sides. For example, hibiscus. See, this is a bilateral symmetrical. The symmetry is each and every plane. We can divide them into number of times. They are similar to each other. And the flower, at that time, the flower is described as actinomorphic flower and ovary is described as hypogynous ovary. Ovary is superior. Then next is zygomorphic or bilaterally symmetrical. These flowers have only one plane of symmetry, meaning they can be divided into two equal halves only, one line. For example, Clitoria ternata or Physum sativum. These are examples. Then last one is asymmetric. These flowers lack any symmetry. For example, Canna indica. Then insertion of floral whorls on the thalamus. On the basis of insertion of floral whorls, they are divided into hypogynous flower, perigynous flower, and epigynous flower. First is hypogynous. See, the ovary is above the all three whorls, that is Calyx, Carolla, and Androecium. So the position of ovary is superior, and here the flower is described as hypogynous and ovary is described as superior ovary. For example, China rose or mustard. Then second type is perigynous. The ovary is half inferior, meaning the other floral parts are attached to the rim of cup-shaped thalamus that surrounds the ovary. For example, rose or peach. In rose, the all floral whorls are present on the same line, that is Gynoecium, Androecium, Calyx, and Carolla. So the level is similar, so it is called as perigynous, and ovary is called as semi-superior or semi-inferior. Third is epigynous. The ovary is inferior, in which all the floral parts, that is Calyx, Carolla, and Androecium, are arranged above the ovary. So the position is hypo, means below the floral whorls, epi. So the flower is called as epigynous and ovary is called as inferior. Thank you.